What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be a quick introduction into Scratch as a whole. What are some of the different pieces? How do you get logged in? How do you create your stuff? So on and so forth. So the first thing, this is like the main Scratch page. Here's the link up here. You can also find that linked in your Schoology page. Over here is going to be your account settings. So once you've already logged in, if you click on this little tab, this will take you to your profile. This will take you to the stuff that you've already created. And down here, this will take you to, if you need to change your email or anything, password, this will be here, delete your account, so on and so forth. But anyway, here on the main Scratch page, we are going to go click on Create, and from here, there are a couple main pieces of this page. There's really four parts. This part right here is going to be the screen that shows or highlights what your program or app is going to look like. Over here, this is where we would use our building blocks to create our projects and kind of link them together like this. This middle section that I just took those blocks out of, these are the type of blocks that we have to use. We have blocks for motion, we have blocks that change the look of things, blocks to include or incorporate sound. We have pen blocks, which we can use to draw or create things with our characters or our sprites. Data blocks, we will get to these in a separate video. Events, these are all starters, and that, like, this event tells all these blocks to happen. So like, when the flag is clicked, here's the flag right there. Control blocks, these are blocks that we would use to kind of highlight if we want something to happen a certain number of times, or if this happens, then I want this to happen. A wait timer, so wait this much time and then have this happen. Sensing blocks, this is just to have interaction over here. Operator blocks, and so this is going to help tie into our data blocks a little bit. And then we won't get into more blocks yet, but if we do get into this, that'll be in another video as well. So this is like our player screen over here, our blocks that we can use over here. This is the whole section over here that we're putting our code onto. I'll point out that in this top right hand corner here, this character is the same as this character. That's how I know he is the one who's being coded. So that is that. The fourth part is going to be down here. These are my sprites, or my characters that I'll be able to code. That's kind of in this area. And then if you want to change the backdrop of what this looks like, that is located right here. So that is that. And then the very last piece is up here. This is how we retitle it, and so this will just be intro project, and this is 1718. So file, save now, and this is now saved. So that's just a quick overview of the blocks and the pieces. One other thing real quick, well, you know what, I'll save that for the next video. Anyway, I hope this is a nice intro, and I will see you in the next one.